In this problem, most of the values are as square roots. Therefore, first of all, you have to convert them into absolute numbers. To do that, you have to use the formula of a square minus b square is equals to a plus b multiply a minus b. As all values are in the form of a plus b, therefore we are going to multiply them with a minus b of their respective values. Here multiply 1 minus square root of 2 and here 1 minus square root of 2. Similarly, multiply here square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Here square root of 2 minus square root of 3. Similarly, here multiply above 3 minus square root of 4 and here 3 minus square root of 4. So this simplifies to 1 minus square root of 2 divided by 1 square minus square root of square plus square root of 2 minus square root of 3 divided by square root of 2 square minus square root of 3 square plus square root of 3 minus square root of 4 divided by square root of 3 square minus square root of 4 square, which is equals to 1 minus square root of 2 divided by 1 square is 1 minus square root of 2 is 2 plus square root of 2 minus square root of 3 divided by 2 minus 3 plus similarly here square root of 3 minus square root of 4 divided by 3 minus 4, which is equals to 1 minus square root of 2 divided by minus 1 plus square root of 2 minus square root of 3 divided by minus 1 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 4 divided by 1. Multiply minus 1 above, so minus 1 cancel. This simplifies to square root of 2 minus 1. Here this simplifies to square root of 3 minus square root of 2 plus this simplifies to square root of 4 minus square root of 3, which is equals to square root of 2 minus 1 minus square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 4 is 2 minus square root of 3. This minus minus cancel, this minus minus cancel. This simplifies to 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1. So for this equation, 1 is our answer.